Students, now we are going to study about functions, exercise 2.3, and first we define the function. And actually function is a special type of relation. Function पर relation हो तो special type का relation हो. Special type of relation is known as function. और speciality की हुई हो here the relation f from a set A to set B is said to be a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. Image का मतलब क्या है? Suppose if we have this set 1 A and set B, I have taken some examples here. तो जो सेट ए छ ए को जतिवटा एलिमेंट हुन्छ उसको इमेज यहाँ बन्नु पर्यो. दिस सेट ए गिव्स वन यूनिक इमेज इन द सेट बी. So check once again, a relation f from a set A to set B is said to be a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. In other words, it can be defined a function f is a relation from a non-empty set A to non-empty set B such that domain of function f is A. यो डोमेन एलिमेन्ट्सलाई ए सेट ए को एलिमेन्ट्सलाई के भन्छ डोमेन भन्छ. एन्ड नो टू डिस्टिङ्क्ट अर्डर पेयर्स जस्तो यो अर्डर पेयर बनाएको छ इन एफ ह्याड द सेम फर्स्ट टू एलिमेन्ट्स. यो दुईटा एलिमेन्ट सेम हुनु हुँदैन टू एलिमेन्ट्स इन द केस अफ द फंक्शन. एन्ड फंक्शन एफ फ्रम ए टू बी डिनोटेड बाई हाउ टू डिनोट दिस एफ सच दैट ए टू बी. इट इज द फंक्शन. सो सम एक्जाम्पल्स हियर 4, 1, 6, 2, 8, 3, 10, 4, 12, 5, and we will check here it is function or not. So first elements of the set A is, because first elements of this ordered pair is known as domain, and domain is comes first set 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. यो set A को element भयो and set B को 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So match them. 4, 1. 4 को image 1. 6 images 2. 8 images 3. 8 की image 3 बाय 10 image 4. 12 को image 5. So clearly here we can see here every element in the set A gives one image. यता set B को element लाई image भन्छ. एक एलिमेन्टलाई प्री इमेज 4 को इमेज 1 हो र 4 के हो 1 को प्री इमेज हो अगाडिको प्री इमेज भन्छ. सो 4 गिव्स 1 इमेज 1. सो ऑल एलिमेंट्स अफ द सेट ए गिव्स one and only one image. One and only one image. So we can say it is a function. यो function हो. It is a function. And in the function we check the domain. Domain and range. What are domain? Domain is first elements of the ordered pair. That means set A 4, 6, 4, 6, 8, 10, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. It is the domain. What is the range? Second elements of the ordered pair like this set B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. तो ये फंक्शन निकालिसकेपछि इसमें डोमेन रेंज हामी पनि निकाल्नु पर्यो. सो इट इज द एक्जाम्पल नंबर 1. सी एक्जाम्पल नंबर 2. इफ इट इज सेट A, it is set B, or you can write x and y also. तो फर्स्ट सेट of first elements and these first set को एलिमेंट के 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Second को 1, 1, 1, 1 दुई खेप लेख्छ but it will not be repeated. We write once. 1, 2, 1, 2, 6. मैच गरौँ यो 2, 1. 2 को इमेज 1. 3 को इमेज पनि 1 आउँदैछ. 4 को इमेज 2. 5 इमेज 6. अब what is difference between these two? यसमा प्रत्येक एलिमेन्ट को एउटा युनिक इमेज छ. Here also each and every element gives image. माने सबैको इमेज हुनु पर्ने यहाँ कुनै लेफ्ट आउट नहोस्. 2 को इमेज 1 हो, 3 को इमेज 1, 4 इमेज 2, 5 6. It is also function. It is a function because each element has unique image. Function. Its domain. Its domain is 2, 3, 4, 5, and range is 1 to 6. So these are the different criteria for the functions. अब you suppose ये one को इमेज 2 भयो, one को इमेज फिर यहाँ 4 भयो. See here, 2 image of 2 is 1, image of 3 is also 1, 4 image 2, 5 is 6. Okay, it's okay. It is a function because 2 gives 1 image 1, 3 also gives the image 1, so it is a function. So we will take some other examples. Now see the third example. Third example is the relation is R is equal to 3, 10, 5, 12, 7, 14, 5, 16. So set elements 3, 5, 7, 5, 3, 5, 7 and 5 is written 2 times, we write once. And second 10, 12, 14 and 16. अब इसको मैच गरेर हेर्नु पर्यो. So it is 3 को image 10 छ. Image of 3 is 10, 5 image 12, 7 image 14 and 5 to 16. Check here, it is function or not the function. यो function होइन, because definition में के छ, एउटा एलिमेंट को एउटै इमेज हुनु पर्यो. 3 को त ठिकै हो, तर 5 एउटै सेटैमा एउटै एलिमेंट को दुईटा इमेज आए. This 5 has different images. एउटै इमेज हुनु पर्छ. So it is not a function. It is not a function. Now number 4. Suppose it is set A, it is set B. First element of the set 2 times write once, 3, 4. In the B 2, this 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. That means 2, 3, 4. 4 repeats एक खेप लेख्नु पर्यो. अब यहाँ मिलाऊँ. 2 को इमेज 2, 2, 4, 3, 3 and 4, 4. Check once again. 2 को इमेज 2 छ, फिर 2 को इमेज 4, 3 को इमेज 3, 4 को इमेज 4. अब इसमा चेक गरौँ. यो त फर्स्ट में हेर्दै पनि यो पनि एउटा डिफरेंट इमेज पायो र फर्स्ट यो जो सेकेंड थियो डेफिनेसन, इन अदर वर्ड्स थियो कि अ फंक्शन f is relation from non-empty set A to non-empty set B such that domain of f is A and no two distinct order pairs in f had the same first element. is same first elements लेखेको छ. दुईटा सेम फर्स्ट में दुईटा सेम एलिमेंट छ भने यो फंक्शन हुँदैन. So it is not a function. So these are the examples for the functions. Now see the question number 1 from the exercise 2.3. Which of the following relations are functions? Give reasons. If it is a function, determine its dominant range. If this function, we should find dominant range. So first our relation is 2, 1, 5, 1, 8, 1, 11, 1, 14, 1 and 17, 1. So we will try to understand by the arrow diagram. If it is set A, if it is set B, the set A element 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. Set B elements 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, all 1. So we write 1. Second elements of this ordered pair are all 1. We write single 1 and make the arrangement this 2, 1. 2 को image. Image of 2 is 1, image of 5 is 1, image of 8 is 1, 11 को इमेज पनि 1 छ, 14 को इमेज पनि 1 छ, 17 को इमेज पनि 1 छ. So it is function or not? Each and every element gives image. नै छ यो सेट जम्मै सेटको एउटा इमेज हुनु पर्यो. त 2 को इमेज 1 हो, 5 को इमेज 1 हो, नि सबैको इमेज के छ 1 छ. So it is a function हो. But how to write this? We write here all values कुनै सेम पनि छैन. all values of x are distinct. That means different values, distinct. So each value of all values of, sorry, we will write here set A. Each values of B, each value of B has a unique value. So all values of A are distinct, and each value of A, each value of A has a unique value of B. So it is the function. That means so the relation is function. Check once again. All values of set A are distinct, and each value of A has a unique value of B. So the relation is function. Of domain, what is domain of this function? Domain is 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17. What is the range? Second elements of the order pair, that is 1, single one. So it is the answer. So with the help of these solutions, you can try to solve further questions.